In this video, I will show you how to crochet the flower headband. First, we will crochet at the bottom side and then go around. And then we add the tail. This is easy and quick to make, and very cute. This one I use 4-ply milk cotton yarn, and the hook 2.5mm crochet hook. If you are ready, let's get started. For the size of the headband, you can check on the screen. Before you begin, create a slip knot. And then crochet a chain. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. We will crochet this for chain 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we will crochet in the 5th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So insert a slip stitch. And then crochet chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, yarn over twice. We will crochet treble crochet. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. And we leave here. Yarn over twice. Treble crochet again. So 1 and 2. Yarn over twice. Insert. First 2 loops. And then the 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it all through, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then a slip stitch. There you go. And then chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. Insert first 2 loops and the 2 loops. 1 treble crochet and finish. 1, 2, second. 1, 2. So pull it all the 4 loops. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And plus 5 will be 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then a slip stitch in the 5th chain. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. A slip stitch. Turn the work and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we will keep repeating from this process. Yarn over twice, insert in the circle. First 2 loops and the 2 loop, treble crochet. We will do this for 3 times, 2 times. 3 times, and then all together. Chain 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch. And then we will keep repeating from this process. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. Insert. Treble crochet 1. Treble crochet 2. Treble crochet 3. All together. This one is called treble crochet puff. We will keep repeating this process until to your desired length. In this step, you can check how long you want. I will put the information on the screen. So, if you want to continue longer, please repeat from this set, 1 set, 2 set. So, remember, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Same as the beginning. Keep continuing. Now I got to my desired length, 12 inches long. And then this one we will crochet, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. And then another puff. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch. So this one we have 1, 2, 3 puff, and the fourth will be here. 1, 2, 3. Treble crochet. So this is treble crochet puff. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Pull all through. And then we will join to here. A slip stitch. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch in the circle. 1, 2, 3, and the puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull all through, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch. So this one we have 1, 2, 3, and the fourth will be here, the connect part. 1, 2, 3. treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, pull all through, and then a slip stitch. Here, the first chain, there you go. So we will keep repeating this process until the end of the chain, and make sure it's not twist. Keep continuing. Now I have complete all the flowers, and then I will crochet the tail. So this one, join at the first chain, a slip stitch, and then crochet chain 40, 1, 2, 3, keep continuing. Now I have the chain 40, and then we will crochet a puff, yarn over twice, and then insert into the fourth chain, first, second, third, and fourth, 1, 2, 3, pull all through, chain 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch. For this one, insert into the top, a slip knot, 1, 2, 3. So we will keep repeating from this process. Chain 40, and then the puff. Now it's time to weave in all ends. Now I have finished with the flower headband.